these monies, we are budgeting, we are appropriating over 400 billion shillings every financial year to the Ministry of Defense. And they have been using that money very well. It has been audited. It goes through the auditing system. It goes through the Public Accounts Committee system. And they have been presenting their papers and their documents in Parliament. And they have been, all the time, they have been given a clean bill of health. Why create a special fund? Why do you create a fund if the people who are managing those funds have been doing very, very well for the last 5 years? When you create a fund like the NGDC, like GAF, you can understand, because those are special situations and circumstances that require direct intervention at the grassroots level. What are you intervening here? If you are given new equipment that you need to use, you can take them to the barracks. The military can handle those equipment. If you get funding, take it to the consolidated fund and we appropriate it directly to the Ministry of Defense. And then at the defense level, the accounting people there can use it on what is required for that money. Madam Speaker, I want to urge the House, let us desist this urge from the executive all the time to create special funds for special purposes. These special vehicles is going to hand this country one time. And you remember my statement in this house, Madam Speaker, because these are separate entities that are removed from the State Departments so that they can be operated separately under supervision of certain people. Madam Speaker, it is my humble request that let us allow the Ministry of Defense to operate as the way they have been operating for the longest time that is known.